what a view. Hey everybody, welcome to another video and welcome to Palolem in Goa, India. I've been here for about a week and a half and in Goa altogether maybe 3 weeks or so. But I'm currently in my private beach hut. I've had a few beach huts so far here in Goa. This one's the most expensive. It's 950 Indian rupees per night, which is a little over 13 US dollars. Got a big king size bed here with a mosquito net, fan, and my own attached bathroom. Pretty standard, no hot water, but it is pretty warm here, so you don't necessarily need it. But today I was gonna go walk on the beach. It's about sunset. I just had a swim just a few minutes ago. I'm pretty close to the beach here, but I'm gonna go walk along the beach for sunset. There's a lot of people on the beach, a lot of stuff happening, so I'm gonna show you guys what's going on there. So I hope you guys enjoy. Nice big front porch area. I don't actually smoke, they just have an ashtray here. And they do have puppies. Hi puppy. Hi puppy, how are you today? Actually, I just talked to you a few minutes ago, so I already know how you're doing. Yes, yes. Where's your brother? Oh, there he is. Here he comes. Hi, hi. Or are you the sister? I can't remember. I can't remember. There's so many of you. Where's the third one? There's a third one around here somewhere. It's like burning the leaves. Hi, hi. Yeah, where's your third one? I'll see you guys later. There's also monkeys that hang out here during the day, but at night I have no idea where they go. I'm not sure the species of monkey. They're gray and they have very long tails, so I've just been calling them long-tailed monkeys. That sounds about right. Not sure why I brought my shoes. I don't really need them. I'm just walking on the beach.
Hello.
So I got a big fancy meal of cappuccino. This is like a fresh baked brown bread and hummus and curd, chips, salad, and mushroom spinach burger. I know you. I know you. It's like you can take a boat trip up the river here. Alright, getting much deeper now. So I'm completely surrounded by water. But here in an hour or so, the tide will go out. Charming. This is a bar and restaurant right here. I'm assuming it's a little too expensive for me though. Women here harvesting sea urchins. They have a long curved blade that they pry it off the rocks with, and then they crush the spines, wash them off, throw them in their bags. Got these big boards, oil. Buy one, get one free all day till 10 p.m. Select cocktails, Heineken, buckets of beer, Corona, Blonde Budweiser, Heineken. Grilling up fish right on the beach. I was jogging past here this morning and it was perfect. You have these perfect colors, and then you have these palms that are leaning out right here with the sun rising in the background. Make for a perfect picture, but didn't happen to have my camera while I was jogging. Red. Sharks. Ooh, lobster. Nice. Crab. Hello. Squid. Nice. I might, not right now. I might be back. I'm meeting a friend. Chocolate. Hello. Hello. When I was over there, the actual power went out along the beach, so that big light, as well as all the buildings' lights, went out. So all you saw was just hundreds of these candles all along the beach. Pretty cool. Okay, I'll just walk in the middle of traffic here. I am in India. Coconut. Instrument shop. Nice. Rasa Bistro. Eat, play, work. Although the eat is worn off on the sign, so it says cat, play, work. Aloo paratha, masala dosa, nice. Maybe for breakfast tomorrow. Yeah? No, every time. Oh, okay, well, for me, for breakfast, yeah. Maybe tomorrow. Thank you. Feels good. Don't mind me, I'm just filming.
Taking some pictures?
No, you're gonna be on YouTube. Don't worry about it though.
Anyways, our bums will be on the YouTube.
Sweet. So back to my house. So that's it, everybody. I hope you guys enjoyed my video of the nightlife here in Palolem. See you guys next time.